In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your liked videos on YouTube desktop. If you've ever liked a video and wanted to come back to it later, this is the fastest, most reliable way to find it. We'll use the desktop version of YouTube, and I'll keep it simple so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start on YouTube's homepage on your computer. Look to the left side of the screen for the vertical menu. This panel is your main navigation area on desktop. It's where you'll see familiar options like home and subscriptions, and it also includes a section that's all about your personal activity on YouTube. Within that left sidebar, find the section labeled You. This area groups your account-related destinations in one place, so you can quickly get back to your own content and activity. Under You, click Liked Videos. That's it. The moment you click, YouTube takes you straight to a playlist that automatically collects every video you've hit the thumbs up on with this account. Once you're there, you'll see a clean list of your liked content. Each entry shows the video's thumbnail, title, and channel, so it's easy to recognize what you're looking for. Think of this page as your personal library of favorites. Everything you've chosen to support or revisit lives here, all in one convenient spot. A quick but important note about privacy. Your Liked Videos playlist is private and only visible to you. That means no one else can browse through what you've liked from your profile. It's a safe place to collect tutorials you want to review, music you keep on repeat, or long-form content you plan to finish later. Because this playlist is tied to the account you're currently using, your likes will only appear here when you're on that same account. If you use YouTube for different purposes across different accounts, just remember that your liked videos are organized separately for each one. That's really all there is to it. By remembering to look to the left sidebar on the desktop site and then heading into the You section to open Liked Videos, you'll always have quick access to the videos you've already enjoyed. It's straightforward, fast, and built right into YouTube, so there's nothing extra to set up or manage. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly where your liked videos live on YouTube desktop, so you can find your favorites again whenever you need them.